Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Callie and Peeba. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, hello. Hi, baby. Come on, let's open the window so you can look out. Wanna? There you go. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah. You're very nice. Be friends. Oh, the smacks. Good morning. It's 10:30 on Tuesday. And I wasn't really gonna vlog today because I kind of feel down, boohooey, I don't know. But I'm doing a lot of sculpting, so thought you guys would want to see that. And getting out orders. So yeah, thank you guys so much for Rory's birthday wishes. She had a really good day on Friday, which was what I would have vlogged, and then the next day we did a I didn't film it because it was insane. Oh goodness, do not get under my feet, Turkins. I almost squished Perma Kitten. That's what we call Turkins because she's tiny. She's a tiny girl. Okay, so the day after the vlog, we went to we went out to eat with my mom, and then we went to this place called Bounce Tag. It has like indoor inflatable castle, like just massive, like like a warehouse size. And then it had the big play things, like the big play area things like they have in like McDonald's and Dairy Queen, but it's huge. So they had a really good time. I was a little nervous being around because there were a lot of people there. I was a little nervous being around so many people for reasons of social anxiety and also just like germs. Do you guys like my lipstick? I am wearing a darker shade, much darker than I usually do. This one is called Huntress by Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Matte Ink. It's a really big name, but I really like it. I think it makes my eyes look pretty. I'm gonna have another cup of coffee and get back out to the sculpting table and show you guys what I'm working on. And then yesterday I had a really big sculpting session where I played with a bunch of new cutters. I made geese, which I'm so excited about the geese. I'm so excited. And then I made coffee cups and plague doctors. I made plague doctors. They look super cute. And I've also been posting reels of my process, which I think I mentioned 2 vlogs ago. I have a really hard time remembering to film while I'm sculpting, but you guys have been loving those reels, so I'm gonna try to keep them coming. But yeah, I'm gonna have some coffee now. Hi, Turkey. What's wrong with your eye? Why do you have an eye squinty? Turkey. Hi. What's wrong with your eye? What are you doing? Oh boy. And now she's suddenly fine, now that I've called attention to it. Hi, Callie. Hi, Callie. Hi. Oh my goodness, all the girls. Where's Woody? Do you guys know? I'm not seeing him this morning. I'm not seeing him. Is he still sleeping? See all the new things. So here's a Canadian goose, a tulip goose. We have regular coffee and ghost coffee. If I could get it, there we go. Some lavender rams. I have these new style of like window arch shapes that I'm doing like clay murals on, is what I'm calling them. And I think they're so pretty, like forbidden fruit types inspired with like a snake and some oranges. I also want to do blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, lemons, if they sell well. If they don't, then I guess there's no reason to keep doing them. But plague doctors, they are all black except for their eyes, but when you have them in person you can see stitching detail and like leather texture, so those are really cool. And then over here, you guys would have watched me sculpt these. We have our little canning jars, strawberry, blueberry, honey, and pickles. I love them. I need to glaze them and take them off of this and take pictures today of all of these. I hope you guys love this update. It's Wednesday night and that's tomorrow, so I really need to get going on getting all this ready. Time to take pictures of all of these charms. Look how pretty they are. Oh my gosh, I love this update. I think it looks so cute. I'm not sure I've actually shown you guys my photography setup before. You're going to think it's ridiculous. So I use this tray, which sits in the middle of our table and is usually covered in Barbie toys and crumbs, so I clean it off really good. And now for the part that you guys are going to think is ridiculous. This is the cat's cat tower. It also doubles as where I put the tray to get lighting for the charms. Isn't that right, Siri? She's just yelling at me while I'm trying to film this. So let's get things set up. And there's the setup. And usually I am constantly saying no to the cats because they'll try to like climb it while I'm taking pictures. Because they're like, no, this is ours. It's like, not right now, it's not. You have to wait. See, right now, stop. Siri, don't. She says, but what's this fern thing? Come here, you. Ugh. What are you doing? Are you trying to cause trouble? Yeah. Try to cause trouble? Mm-hmm. Pretty girl. I might now need to actually put these guys on the ferns because they're white with a white background. But we'll see. I'll experiment. These little ghosties glow in the dark too. I can tell every time I put my hand over. You can kind of see that they're trying to glow already. So now it's actually starting to get a little too light. I don't know if the clouds are, so I'm using this sheer curtain to filter some of that light, especially since the pink doesn't want to stay, but the pink wants to show up as orangey, and it is not, it's pink. So we'll, I only have a few left to do though. Okay, all done. They're so pretty. I'm gonna spend the next hour or so editing these and making listings and posting previews on Instagram today and tomorrow. But I really hope you guys like all these because I do too. And I feel like I sort of went outside of my like normal style for these. But I really, really love them. I love all the tiny details. It does mean I probably won't put as many up as pre-orders like I usually do. Like the coffee cups and stuff will be pre-orders, but like the really detailed pieces like the snake and Luna moth and such would just be like ready to ship restocks. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes because I really, really enjoyed the process of making these. Okay, so Adam went and got the kids. I finished taking the pictures and I'm very tired all of a sudden, so I'm going to get some coffee. What is happening with my headband? I'm going to get some coffee. I'm going to edit this vlog. I think I have enough footage to put up a vlog. It'll be a little shorter than usual, but that's okay. And post previews. I'm so excited for this update. I hope that you guys like it. For me, it's very like vintage summer. It's like, oh, there's Woody. I think I mentioned earlier today that I wasn't sure where he was, so he must have woken up. He's right there. He blends perfectly into the step. Like the canning jars just make me think of like old time simple summers and you know, geese and tulips. Tulips are more spring obviously, but like geese, we always go to the lake during the summer, even though I do not like going outside very often. The kids and Adam do, so I go with them and I wear a very big sun hat. And there's always geese at the lake and they're so mean. They will try to attack our car, but not white geese, Canadian geese. And then my mom up by where she lives, there's a park that has just geese and ducks, and you go and you feed them, and so the kids go there. I haven't gone yet, but I would really like to go this summer. I told her I would like to go with them, so ooh, my hand is so tired. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support as always. I'm going to try to get this vlog up before the update goes live. So the update will be Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I hope that you guys have a really, really nice evening or day wherever you are. So see you next time. Bye.